So what we have here is gold, right? Now to those of you that are not yet subscribed, right, make sure you please click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's look at what gold will actually play out tomorrow, which is for on the 6th of February, that is on Monday. So we can see that this is a massive move that was played out here. You all really know what happened, right? On Wednesday, the interest rates in federal fund rates was actually increased. When we got to on Thursday, about bank rates for GBP rise was actually increased. This is why we had a drop. And when you take a look at your Friday, right, most positive news about the day extra actually came out, which means our gold actually dropped. So basically, USD actually saw its bullish movement that period. So we would want to know where this price will be moving for the next day. This should now take us to the 4-hour time frame. So we can see that this is a drop and another pullback was a little bit of a reversal movement. Then this is a massive drop. So what I want you guys to be watching out for is around a pullback here. So let's watch out for around a level of 1891, possibly break below the level. So there's every possibility we can break above that level and even go higher than that. But first, we need to actually get to a level of 1891. So at least that will be giving us about 250 pips. I mean, in 2 3 days, right? I think that movement itself is actually okay for the week, right? If you can get about 250 pips. So, like I said, I am watching out for a level of 1819 on gold. So, I've also set up a Patreon channel, right? Which I'll be putting high probability trade there. I want you to actually check the link below. If you've not checked it, check the link below. I'll be pasting the link in the comment section, right? I've posted 3 trade for my patrons that what the trade will be watching out for tomorrow. That I believe we have 70 to 90% chance of winning that trade. I've posted it. So I'm going to make one of those trade public, right? So you can go there and watch it. So if you would want to get the remaining trade that I've posted and the remaining trade that I'll be posting for the next day, right? Actually become my Patreon subscriber with just $20, right? You will actually get the value that you are actually looking for. If at the end of the month you actually don't get the value, or you see that your account is not being increased or your trade is not being increased, all you just have to do is cancel your subscription for my membership. So like I said, give it a trial. I will put the link below on my comment section, so watch out for it.